Hey. Hey. What's up, dude? Where's all your ladies? Oh, there's one back there. I got this one right here. Hi.
I don't want to pet it.
Oh.
Pet it? I don't know.
I look at you and I just get so hungry. It's another day. Where is this family going? In California. Hey, it looks like we're at Knott's Berry Farm. Man, I don't think anything rhymed at all. There wasn't one word that rhymed. That was terrible. Last big thing on our list in California is to spend the day at Knott's Berry Farm on Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving, guys! I know this is really late. I hope you had a good Thanksgiving. I hope you didn't get sick. The turkey didn't make you throw up. Because I'm sick, that'd be a Thanksgiving. Hey, at least you never forget that. That ride right there is amazing. Move that way, Kristen. All right, let's go get you something to drink, okay?
I don't want to go in there. I'm on vacation.
You don't want to go to school on vacation.
You don't want to go to school? But what if you forget every single thing you've ever learned while we're on vacation? I think it's a good idea if you go do class for like 2 hours while we go on rides. What'd you think of that ride, Ian? Yeah. Thumbs down? Is it too crazy?
Too fast.
Too fast?
Faster than that.
Yeah, but you were really good on that. Salem, what'd you think of that?
I want to go on it again.
Do you?
I like it better than that one.
Yeah? Hi, Mommy Neverlander. What'd you think of that?
It was fun. It goes way faster than I remember.
Really?
The first full speed turn it made, I was like, whoa! And I slid and I was like, I can't even hold myself.
Really?
From being on the side. So
I saw you laughing right away. That's why I ran over here and took some footage. I was like, they're having fun. Yeah, but only if you do it in a really sexy voice. And action.
Every boysenberry in the world can be traced back to Walter Knott and his berry farm. A cross between a red raspberry, blackberry, and a loganberry, the famous boysenberry was propagated by Rudolph Boysen, but abandoned shortly thereafter. The scraggly bushes were brought to Knott's attention, and by 1934 he had a bumper crop of enormous sweet dark berries which proved more popular than anything he'd grown before. Coupled with Cordelia Knott's berry preserves and pies, folks came from across the country to sample the famed boysenberry.
Right in this moment, how to be smooth and pick up on kicks. You ready? Hey. Yeah. Oh my God. I'm the man. Learn from me. That was good. Yes. I thoroughly enjoyed that ride.
The camera's wet.
And the camera's wet. Ah, we broke another G7X. Crap!
Sunday. Saturday. And we had dinner.
Yeah, man. I'm all over this.
Like, oh, I gotta try that.
Thank you, sir. Hi, man. Here's your birthday.
Gracias.
Yeah. That's a boysenberry beer. Oh my gosh.
Folks came from across the country to sample the famed boysenberry.
That's amazing. That's really good. They said we can walk around with it. If we can walk around with it, why don't we get like 10 of these?
I know.
Boysenberry beer. You gotta get the boysenberry beer when you come to Knott's. Don't miss out on that.
Well, I mean, that's
That's the first thing you'll ever hear Larry say.
Got tons of rides. got all sorts of fun things to do. Ian's found the one thing he wants to do more than anything else. Is this more fun than the rides?
I don't know.
Wow, dude. My favorite ride when I was a kid. What'd you think of that, dude?
I'm gonna go in it again right now.
Alright, you gotta get out though. Oh! Yeah, be careful. Come on. Crazy kid. What if you fell in that water? Man, we have to swim knots. We have to swim knots. Ian, get over here and fall in the water. Oh, yeah.
There you go.
All right, guys. The night's coming to an end. It's just about over. Knott's Berry Farm's awesome. We didn't get a chance to go to Knott's to say goodbye to Knott's Berry Farm before we moved. So we're doing that now. But we're gonna go on one last ride and we're gonna call it a night. Thanks for hanging out. Love you.
Love you.
Love you guys too. I'm not gonna kiss you though. You wanna kiss him? I used to walk these when I was a kid. I don't know if I want to do it anymore. Actually, a lot more timid right now than I used to be. I'd run across these things. Man! This trip is going to be epic, by the way. We're going everywhere. So, yeah.